Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You'll start right away by opening Bing. And signing into your Microsoft account if you want the change to stick across devices. Once done, scan the page top right for the current background image or click the gear icon labeled Settings. You're not installing anything. This is a browser feature, so make sure you're using a modern browser version. Next, prepare the image you want saved on your computer or decide to select one from Bing's curated images. Now proceed to change the image itself. Click the current background or open settings and pick background, then choose custom to upload your own photo. Browse and select a JPG or PNG file. Bing works best with 1920x 1080 or larger for clear display. Once uploaded, use any available fit or position controls to center or stretch. Preview to confirm how it will look. If you prefer Bing's images, browse the curated gallery and pick one instead, then click Apply to set it. Finish by clicking Apply or Save, then refresh the page to confirm the new wallpaper appears. If nothing changes, clear your browser cache and cookies, sign out and sign back in, then try the upload again. This resolves most sync issues. Make sure the file size and format meet Bing's limits. If problems persist, test in a different browser or device to isolate whether it's local. One key troubleshooting tip: disabling extensions like ad blockers often restores background setting functionality.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.